In the midst of a booming manufacturing industry, Chengdu Xinhecheng Technology takes innovation as the spear. Through 10 years of deep cultivation in the field of wireless intelligent control, achieve industry benchmarks.
We always adhere to the concept of gathering core technology to achieve a new life. Make the Chengdu Xinhecheng Technology into a famous brand out of China. Go global. In order to achieve our brand dream, we will do 3 best things. Products with the best quality. The product has the best function. The best product service. We will continuously iterate and improve our products to make product design more intelligent. Dedicate our wisdom and energy to industrial manufacturing. Adhere to the original intention. Chasing dreams. Chengdu Xinhecheng will continue to improve ourselves. Make a contribution to China's manufacturing.
The company has passed the high-tech enterprise certification. Won the title of Sichuan Province Specialized Special New Small and Medium-Sized Enterprises. Obtained 19 national patents. 5 software copyright. Wireless electronic handwheel series controller series products. Passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification. From the first generation of products in 2012 to the 8th generation of innovation in 2024. Chengdu Xinhecheng Technology defines limits of wireless control with technology iteration. Chengdu Xinhecheng wireless electronic handwheel adapt to Siemens, Fanuc and other brands. From millimeter carving to heavy equipment handling, Chengdu Xinhecheng make efficiency and safety everywhere. The company is customer-centric, making every device become the fulcrum of productivity leap. Adhering to the concept of gathering cool technology and achieving a new life, Chengdu Xinhecheng will continue to lead the infinite revolution of industry.